30x cheaper than GPT-4o, and free to download now. Can your SME finally afford its own AI? What is Llama 4 exactly? Meta dropped two open-weight models on April 5, Scout and Maverick. Both handle text and images across 200+ languages. Free to download, no subscription, no vendor lock-in. A third model, Behemoth, is still incoming. Run it on one GPU. Llama 4 Scout runs on a single RTX 4090, a $1,500 2000 consumer card. One Llama command and you're live. Its 10 million token context window outperforms every competitor at this price tier. The real cost comparison. Scout API, 8 cents per million tokens. GPT-4o, $2.50. Claude Sonnet 4.6, $3. That is a 30x gap. A typical Dublin startup processing 10M tokens monthly saves over €2,000 per year by switching. SME use cases that work now. A 50-person logistics firm automates multilingual invoice reading. A retail shop generates product listings from photos. A service business builds a client Q&A bot, all without paying per seat or per user. Act before August 2026. The EU AI Act's SME obligations land in August 2026. Self-hosting an open-weight model gives you full data sovereignty, the cleanest path to compliance. Start testing now. Migration takes weeks, not months. Key takeaways. Download Llama 4 Scout free at llama.com. API is 30x cheaper than GPT-4o. Run locally with Llama in minutes. Audit your AI stack before August 2026. Subscribe weekly AI moves built for SME owners. Subscribe now.